Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a little mini collection from Madam Glam here for the 4th of July. It is launching today, so you can get your hands on this stuff right now and you will be 4th of July ready. So it should be to you in time to do that 4th of July mani. So what we have here are 4 colors, 2 glitters, 2 creams, and a topper. Yeah, it's a no wipe top coat. So it is called Celebration, and it is a flakes no wipe top coat. So look at that, look how fun. Ooh, yeah. So we're in a clear base and we have red, white, and blue little like flakies. Those are fun. I don't know if it was last year or the year before we had like a topper. It wasn't a no wipe top coat. Let me grab it. I've got it sitting out right here. It's not a no wipe top coat. It's called Fireworks, but it is kind of like a glitter topper. So this has more of those like little round glitters in it, and it's red, white, blue, and I believe like silver. So we're gonna compare them, and of course we'll compare the reds and the blue. We'll see if we have anything similar. And this silver one right here is very interesting. I hope that is picking up on camera. This one is called Glam Parade. Now at first you're like, ooh, what a pretty silver. And then you get closer and you're like, hold up. That's not just silver. So you can see like all kinds of little colors in there, and it like pulls a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, and also a little bit of holographic. So this is a very, very interesting little polish. Look at how pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. So loving that. So let's go ahead and swatch these. We'll do 2 coats. I'll top coat off camera. We'll do the comparisons. So without further ado, let's get swatching. Okay, so that is the collection swatched. I'm so happy to report that we have that new brush in these bottles like we did the July or the June collection, sorry. I don't know if there's going to be a full July collection. I would assume probably so. This is like a mini collection for the 4th. So there'll probably be a July collection, but the June collection, which was the Neon Unity collection that had that really great brush in it. Oh gosh, so good. We have that again in these ones. And you guys, these are so pigmented. Like all of them. Every single one was extremely pigmented to where you could really get away with one coat. I went ahead and did 2. I even did 2 coats on the topper, and I showed you what those looked like over these. Oh my gosh, you guys, this collection is so good. The absolutely perfect red, white, and blue for 4th of July. This white, you guys, is super good. It's a bright, bright white. It has that slight bit of blueness to it to combat any yellow, so it's super bright white. Absolutely gorgeous. The blue is kind of like, it's not like a glitter. It's more like a metal flake kind of consistency. And then this one, whoo, you guys, was that Glam Parade? The most sparkly sparkle ever. Oh, you need this one. If you get any of them, get this one, because this will be great for New Year's as well. Look at the sparkle in that. It's so good. So yes, and then the topper looks great over every color. I really like it over the white and the red, especially those two. It looks good over the blue. It even looks really cool over top of that silver glitter. So I love it. I love all the things. Super, super pigmented. Great brush inside. Let's do the comparisons. So first things first, I'm going to compare Celebration to, was it last year? You guys, I don't remember if it was the year before, but the topper that they had fireworks. 2 coats. This one is a little bit more sparse, so you're going to get your color through more. Let's look at the red under it. So good. You can really see the white in it when you put the red under. It really pops well. And then I think this one looks really great over red too. Again, you really see the white in it. Here's what it looks like over the silver. We don't have anything else like this, you guys. It's just these 2 right here. So if you didn't get fireworks, I actually think I like Celebration better. It's not a glitter, it's like a flake. So they're like jaggedy and not round, but I think it makes it look really cool. And the fact that it's a little bit more sparse, of course you could just do 1 coat of this if you wanted to, but I think it looks probably best over white, don't you? Look at that. So good. But yeah, so that is Celebration. Nothing else like it. I'll probably stick this on here with all of my toppers. I love these little flaky toppers. They're so fun. And the white, it's just bright, bright white, you guys. I would compare it to Riverwalk probably. It's actually, I don't know. I like the pigmentation in it, and it's not as goopy as Riverwalk. Riverwalk gets a little bit goopy, but I mean, it's a bright white. So you can't go wrong. If you can't get Riverwalk, bold white is perfect for all your white underwear needs. Okay, so we have the silver, the blue, and the red. Maybe we'll save the red for last. Let's do the silver first, Glam Parade. I really don't think we have anything like this, you guys. For silver, like, you know, Paradise forever ago comes to mind, but I don't even believe Madam Glam has it anymore. We've got Rock in it, which is like the reflective glitter. It is not the same. It is something totally different. This is just so cool. So we really don't have anything like this, you guys. Let's see. We've got, oh, what collection was that from? Tinsel. I don't remember. But that is what it looks like next to Tinsel. Tinsel here and Glam Parade here. Probably the closest. It's just not the same. It's something, like I said, totally different. And that's probably it for the silver one. I can't think of anything else it would be even close to try to compare it to. Oh, sorry, bumping the camera. But as I always say, you guys, if there is a color that you want to see it next to, message me. I might have it, I might not. I had somebody message me about Cajun shrimp from OPI, wondering if one of the reds from Madam Glam looked like it. So I sent her some pictures on Instagram. It's really the easiest way and the best place to do that. So follow me on Instagram at Ginger Sparks. I post all of my finished nail gorgeousness there. All my art, all my clients, it's always there. So go follow me there. And like I said, if you have any questions about colors next to each other, that is the best place for me to help you out with that. I am trying to find blues right now. These are probably way too light. Those are pink. Let's see. Okay, here's all the blues. Oh, you guys, I don't know. I'm looking at my blue glitters too. What is this one? This is No Hate. That was from the Pride collection a few years ago. It's definitely not the same kind of formula for sure. No. Don't think we're gonna have anything on there. So this is all just cream blues. Oh no, it's not. I do have a couple glitters on here. Florida Vibes. Here we go. Better Than a Sapphire. Very, very, very comparable to Better Than a Sapphire. Let me turn my flash on. As far as the color goes, the formulation's a good bit different. This is more of a sparkle. This is more of a flake kind of texture look to it. So a little different there, but super comparable. If you've had Better Than a Sapphire and loved it, don't have it anymore, well, here you go. I think that's it, you guys. Let me double check these for glitters. No. Here is Aspen Glam. So different. Yeah, not even close. Gosh, you guys, I think that's it. Better Than a Sapphire would be it. Enchanted Blue, again, that's like a super holographic. Nope, not even close, not even close. Okay, last but certainly not least, the red. Okay, so Legacy. I think I have just about every red, you guys. Welcome to Las Vegas is a smidge lighter. These are gonna be hard because all these reds look so much the same. Welcome to LV as a smidge lighter. A little bit more on the oranger side. Love Out Loud is probably the closest to OPI's Cajun Shrimp that there is. It's got a slight bit of coralness to it, just ever so slightly. Again, lighter than Legacy. True Fire Brick Red is close to Love Out Loud, but it's just a little bit deeper, but still not as deep as Legacy. Here we have Perfect Red, which is such a great, perfect, bright red. Very close here to Legacy, but a little bit more on the orangey side and just a smidge lighter. And I'm talking the slightest bit lighter. You do not need all these in your collection. Double Trouble. Again, it's got a little bit of a mutedness to it. A little bit lighter. Here we have Grand Canyon, and now we're getting a little bit in the deeper reds, deeper than Legacy. And Affair to Remember, I don't think they make anymore, but is very pink toned red. The red is got a bit of a brick red look to it. Love Potion, again, we're on that pinker side of a red. Not as bright. Mother Chucker, deeper. Sunset in Florida, probably my favorite Christmas red. Much, much, much deeper. Miss Dorothy, again, a deeper, like kind of a true blood red. It's got that blue tone to it. Too Busy to Care, they don't make anymore, which was my all-time favorite red. Miss Dorothy has replaced that. Then we have the Strip, which is much darker. All of these are more of a maroon. And yeah, that's Passion, that's Crackling Fire. None of those are the same. So your closest ones to Legacy are gonna be Welcome to LV, Love Out Loud, Perfect Red, and True Fire Brick Red. Those are your closest ones. This is ever so slightly darker, just a smidge. Yeah, again, you don't need all of these, but if you need a bright red in your collection and you don't have something like Perfect Red or Welcome to Las Vegas, this would be an amazing addition to your collection. So I highly recommend it. Again, it's got that new brush in it, so if you're looking to pick up a red, this would be a great one to get. Super bright, perfect for summer. Love it, love it, love it. Sorry, I'm rushing. I am getting ready to head out the door, you guys. I've got to go pick up my kiddo from her little summer program. But thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me these gorgeous, gorgeous colors for the 4th. I'm going to have this on my nails so fast. I can't even tell you. Can't wait. I need them done anyways. They're looking a little, don't look at them. I'm going to have a hard time not putting this blue on, but I think I'm going to go with the silver. It's got all the colors in it. So beautiful. Highly recommend you guys pick this collection up. Let me know if you've ordered it yet, what you think. And if you want to save a little bit of money, I do have a 30% off discount code, but you can always sign up for the Madam Glam VIP program and save 50%. That is the best way to get your gels, in my opinion. Any questions, comments, please leave them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.